Buying a home comes with a lot of exciting decisions, and one of the very first is this: should you buy a condo or should you buy a house? And I get this question all the time, even from first time buyers. And the truth is, there isn't one right answer. The better question is, which one fits your lifestyle best? Let's start with condos. Condos can be a fantastic entry point into homeownership. They're sometimes more affordable than single-family homes, and many are located in really convenient areas close to downtowns and shopping, restaurants, walking paths, and the everyday things that you enjoy. Another big advantage: maintenance. In most condo communities, the association handles things like lawn care, snow removal, and exterior maintenance. So if you travel a lot, or you aren't excited about mowing the lawn and shoveling the driveway, or dealing with roof repairs, condo living can be wonderfully simple. But there is a trade-off. Most condos come with a monthly HOA fee, Homeowners Association. Those fees help maintain the community, but they do affect your overall monthly cost, and some associations have rules about exterior changes, rentals, pets, so it's important to review those details carefully before you fall in love with the property. And now let's talk about single-family homes. A house typically gives you more space, more privacy, more freedom, and you have your own yard and your walls and the ability to make changes without asking permission from an association. And so for many buyers, that independence is a very big deal. But with that freedom comes responsibility. When you own a home, you're the one maintaining the roof, the furnace, the landscaping, the driveway, all of it. None of those things are deal breakers, but they are things that you want to budget for and plan ahead. So how do you decide? I usually tell buyers to think about their lifestyle first. If you want a low-maintenance living and simpler day-to-day routine, a condo might be the way to go. If you love the idea of having your own space, your own yard, the freedom to garden, and to personalize your home, a house might be a better fit for you. And it's also okay to think of your first home as a stepping stone. Many people start with a condo, build equity, and later move into a larger home when life changes. The best decision is the one that supports your life right now and positions you well for the future. If you're trying to sort through those options, that's exactly the kind of conversation we have with our buyers every day. We walk you through the pros, the cons, the costs, the lifestyle fit, and help you make a decision that you will feel confident about. Welcome to the Integrity Team. You belong here.